Good morning students. Welcome back to online class. I am very happy to meet you in this session. How are you students? I hope you all are fine and safe. Is it? Students, now which lesson we are learning? Have you remember? Very good. Now we are learning Geography Lesson 5, India, Population, Communication, Transport and Trade. Is it? Then in the beginning of this class, we can recollect few important points about previous class question. Okay. In previous class, which topic we learned from this lesson? Have you remember students? Very good. We learned about transportation. Is it? In the previous class, we learned about transportation. From that topic, we can recollect few important points. Okay. Students, first we learned about transportation. Is it? What is meant by transportation? The transportation is the system of passengers and goods are carried from one place to other place. Is it? The transportation is the system of passengers and goods are carried from one place to other place. Is it? Then from there, first we learned about the means of transport. The means of transport. How many means of transport are there in the world? Very good. There are three means of transportation. Is it? What are the three means of transport? Excellent. What are they? Land, air, water. Is it? Land, air, water. Okay. Then in the previous class, first we learned about the first means of transport, that is land. Is it? From land, there are three ways are there. Is it? From land, there are three ways are there. What are the three ways? Very good. The first one is roadways, second one is railways, and the third one is pipeline. Is it? First one is roadways, second one is railways, third one is pipelines. Is it? Then the second means of transport is water. From water, there are two ways are there. Is it? What are the two ways? Very good. Inland for short waterways and oceanic routes. Inland waterways and oceanic routes. Is it? Then which is the third means of transport? Air. Very good. The answer is air. What are the two ways of air? Domestic airways and international airways. Is it? From all these things we learned from the means of transportation. Then from there, first we learned about the first means of transport. From that first means of transport, we learned the first way. Is it? Which is the first way? Roadways. Is it? Which is the first way? Roadways. Is it? Roadways is a system. It is carrying passengers and goods from short and long distances. Is it? And also the roadways are linked between some of the farm, some of the industrial areas, some of the agricultural field, market, some of the factories, etc. Is it? And also the Indian roads are cost efficient. Is it? Indian roads are cost efficient. And then these Indian roads, how much length is there in the Indian roads? These all explanation also we learn. Then for the purpose of maintenance and construction, the roads are classified into 7 ways. Is it? How do you remember what are the 7 ways? Very good. National highway, state highway, district roads, village roads, border roads, expressway and international highway. Is it? The first one is national highway. National highway connects which are the areas? Very good. National highways connect most of the all the states, capitals, some of the rail junctions, major ports, industries, tourist centers, etc. Is it? And also the longest national highway is very good. NH 7. Important one word question is it? NH 7 is the longest national way. It runs from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Is it? Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Then which is the shortest national way? Very good. NH 47A. NH 47A. Is it? It's run from Ernakulam to Cochin. Is it? It runs from Ernakulam to Cochin. The next we learned about the state highway. Is it? The state highway is linked connectively between some of the states, cities, towns within the state, then neighboring state, etc. Is it? These state roads are maintained by the state government. These state highways are maintained by the state government, is it? Then thirdly we learned about district roads. District roads are linked with very good. Some of the districts headquarters and taluk headquarters. The districts and taluk headquarters, is it? Then these district roads are constructed and maintained by very good public work department, is it? The district roads are constructed and maintained by public roads department, is it? Then next we learned about the village road. Village roads are connectively between village with towns, is it? Village with towns. The village roads are maintained by village panchayat, is it? The village roads are constructed and maintained by village panchayat, is it? Then next we learned about border roads. The next one is the border roads. Border roads are constructed and maintained by border roads organization, is it? Border roads organization. This organization was established in the year 1999, is it? These border roads are established in the year, this organization is established in the year 1999, is it? And also there are two types of border roads, is it? What are the two types of border roads? Very good. Golden quadrilateral and north-south and east-west corridor, is it? Golden quadrilateral and north-south and east-west corridor, is it? Golden quadrilateral, that means 4 important metropolitan roads, is it? 4 important metropolitan roads. What are the 4 important metropolitan roads? Very good. Delhi to Kolkata, Kolkata to Chennai, Chennai to Mumbai, Mumbai to Delhi, is it? Then next we learned about the second types, that is north, south and east, west corridor, is it? North, south corridor, that is run from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, and southwest is east, west is from Assam to Gujarat, is it? Students, then the next way we learned about expressway, is it? Next we learned about expressway. Expressway, that means there are 4 types of expressways are there, is it? 4 expressways are there. The first one is Mumbai to Pune, is it? Very good. Mumbai to Pune. Second one is Durgapur to Kolkata. Third one is Kolkata to Dum Dum Airport. And the fourth one is Yamuna to Delhi between Agra. These are the 4 important expressways. Then finally we learned about the international highway. Finally we learned about the international highway. International highway, that means it connected India with some of the neighboring countries. India with some of the neighboring countries. For example, some of the neighboring countries like Myanmar, Bangladesh, Burma. Okay, like some of the neighboring countries are connected with India. It promote the relationship between all the countries. It promote the relationship between all the countries. Is it? These all things we learned in the previous class. Is it, students? And also I gave 2 question answers. I hope you studied that question answers also. Okay, students. Now let us come forward to today's class. Today I am going to teach about the second way, that is roadway. Now we are learning the means of transport, is it? Now we are learning the means of transport. The first mean is land. Very good. The first mean is land. From land there is 3 ways are there, is it? The first one is roadways. Already in the previous class I taught, is it? Now the second way is railways and the third way is pipeline. Now in this class I am going to explain the railways and pipelines. Okay, in this class I am going to explain railways and pipelines. Okay, first of all I am going to teach railways. First of all I am going to teach railways. First of all I am going to teach railways. Okay, now listen here. This Indian railway system is the artery of country's inland transport. The Indian railway system is the artery of country's inland transport. Artery, A-R-T-E-R-Y. Artery. Artery means an important route. Artery means an important routes. Okay. An important routes. Artery means an important routes in the system of roadways or railways. Okay. Then and also the Indian railway system is considered as the backbone of transport system. The railway system is considered as the backbone of railway transport system, and also it promotes the national integration by bring the people together. The railway promotes the national integration by bringing the people together. That means it promotes the unity among the people. The Indian Railway promote the unity among the people. Okay, and also it promotes tourism, education, trade, etc. Okay, then this Indian Railway is the first largest railway in Asia. Indian Railway is the first largest railway network in Asia. It is the second largest railway network in the world. It is the second largest network in the world. Okay, and also the length of the railway line is 67,368 kilometers. The length of Indian Railway is 67,368 kilometers. Okay. 67,368 kilometers. Okay, and also in India there are 7,349 railway stations are there, and also in India there are 7,349 railway stations are there. 49 railway stations are there. Okay, railway stations. Listen very careful, students. In India, the total length of railway lines are 67,368 kilometers, and in India there are 7,349 railway stations are there. Okay, then and also the railways are divided into some of the zones. That means in India the railways are divided into 17 zones. Okay, in India the railways are divided into 17 zones. Okay, students, now I am going to explain that 17 zones and its capitals with the help of a chart. Okay, listen here. Now I am going to explain the Indian railway zones. The Indian railway zones. There are 17 Indian railway zones. Okay, there are 17 Indian railway zones. Now listen here. The railway zones and headquarters I will teach now. It is very important one word question. Okay, it is very important one word question. The first one is Northern Railway. Listen very careful. The first one is Northern Railway. The headquarters is New Delhi. First one is Northern Railway. The headquarters is New Delhi. The second one is North-Western Railway. The second one is North-Western Railway. The headquarters is Jaipur. The headquarters is Jaipur. Okay. Then the third one is North-Central Railway. The third one is North-Central Railway. Headquarters is Allahabad. Third one is North-Central Railway. The headquarters is Allahabad. Okay. Then the fourth one is North-Eastern Railway. The headquarters is Gorakhpur. The fourth one is North-Eastern Railway. The headquarters is Gorakhpur. Okay. Then the fifth one is North-East Frontier. The fifth one is North-East Frontier. The headquarters is Guwahati. The headquarters is Guwahati. Okay. Then the next one is Eastern Railway. The next one is Eastern Railway. The headquarters is Kolkata. Next one is the Eastern Railway. The headquarters is Kolkata. Then the seventh one is East Coast Railway. The seventh one is East Coast Railway. The headquarters is Bhubaneswar. The headquarters is Bhubaneswar. Then the eighth one is East Central Railway. East Central Railway. The headquarters is Hasipur. The headquarters is Hasipur. Then West Central Railway. The headquarters is Jabalpur. Okay, West Central Railway. The headquarters is Jabalpur. Then the tenth one is Central Railway. Headquarters is Mumbai. The tenth one is Central Railway. The headquarters is Mumbai. Then the next one is Western Railway. The headquarters is Mumbai. That also headquarters is Mumbai. Southern Railway. Headquarters is Chennai. Okay, very important. Southern Railway. The headquarters is Chennai. Then South Central Railway, the headquarters is Secunderabad. Okay. Then the 14th one is South Eastern Railway, headquarters is Kolkata. Next one is South Eastern Railway, the headquarters is Kolkata. Okay. Then the next one is, listen here, the next one is South Western Railway, the headquarters is Hubal. Okay, South Western Railway, the headquarters is Hubal. Then South East Central Railway, Bilaspur, headquarters is Bilaspur. The last one is Konkan Railway. Last one is Konkan Railway, the headquarters is Navi Mumbai. Last one is Konkan Railway, the headquarters is Navi Mumbai. Okay, then listen students, then on the basis of width of the track, the railways fall under 4 categories. On the width of the track, the railway is classified into 4 categories. Listen here, they are broad gauge, meter gauge, then a narrow gauge and a light gauge. Okay, listen very careful students. Listen very careful. On the basis of width of the track, the railways are falls under 4 categories. The first one is broad gauge. The first one is broad gauge. The first one is broad gauge. The second one is meter gauge. Second one is meter gauge. The third one is narrow gauge. Third one is narrow gauge. Then the fourth one is light gauge. The fourth one is light gauge. Now listen very careful students. Then on the basis of the width of the track, the Indian railways are classified into 4 categories. The first one is broad gauge, second one is meter gauge, third one is narrow gauge and the last one is light gauge. Okay, then the first one is broad gauge. Is it? The first one is broad gauge. The width of the broad gauge is 1.676 meter. The width of the broad gauge is 1.676 meter. Okay, then the second one is meter gauge. The second one is meter gauge. The width of the meter gauge is 1 meter. The width of the meter gauge is 1 meter. Okay. Then the third one is narrow gauge. The third one is narrow gauge. The width of the narrow gauge is 0.672 meter. Now listen here. The narrow gauge is 0.762 meter. Okay, 0.762 meter. Then the last one is light gauge. The width of the light gauge is 0.610 meter. Now once again I will repeat students, listen very careful. On the basis of width of the track, the railways are falls under 4 categories. The first one is broad gauge. The width of the broad gauge is 1.676 meter. The second one is meter gauge. The width of the meter gauge is 1 meter. The third one is narrow gauge. The width of the narrow gauge is 0.762 meter. The last one is light gauge. The width of the light gauge is 0.610 meter. Okay, and these are the some of the categories of railway tracks. Okay, width of the railway tracks. And also nowadays many developments are have taken place in this railway system. Okay, nowadays many developments have taken place in the railway transport. Okay, and also these railway system are one of the many important means of transport. In the arrival of Konkan Railway Corporation and the Metro Railway, it helps to stop the overcrowding and the traffic jam in urban areas. It helps to control the traffic jam and overcrowding in urban area. Okay, in the arrival of Konkan Railway and Metro Railway. Okay, listen very careful. In the arrival of Konkan Railway and Metro Railway. Okay, the two types. The first one is Konkan Railway. First one is Konkan Railway, and the second one is Konkan Railway, second one is Metro Railway. Second one is Metro Railway. Okay, this Metro Railway is otherwise called Mass Rapid Transit System. Mass Rapid Transit System. Okay, Mass Rapid Transit System. Now listen here, there are two types of railways are very important. Konkan Railway and Metro Railway. Konkan Railway and Metro Railway. These Metro Railway is otherwise called the Mass Rapid Transit System. Okay. Now listen here, the first one is Konkan Railway. The first one is Konkan Railway. This Konkan Railway is one of the most important achievements of the transport system. This Konkan Railway is one of the most important achievements of the transport system, and also this Konkan Railway is constructed in the year 1998. This Konkan Railway is constructed in the year 1998. Okay, this Konkan Railway is constructed in the year 1998, and also this Konkan Railway is firstly linked between Roga in Maharashtra and Mangaluru in Karnataka. This Konkan Railway is first link connected with Roga in Maharashtra and Mangaluru in Karnataka. And also this railway crosses 146 rivers and streams, 2000 bridges and 73 tunnels. Listen very careful. This Konkan Railway crosses 146 rivers and streams, 2000 bridges and 73 tunnels. Okay, and also it is very important means of transport. Then in 2013 it linked some other areas also. For example, Jammu region and Kashmir region. Jammu region and Kashmir region. It is opened in 2030. Okay, 2030. Okay. Then the next one is Metro Railway. The next one is Metro Railway. This Metro Railway is otherwise called Mass Rapid Transit System. This Metro Rail is otherwise called Mass Rapid Transit System, and also these Metro rails are connected with 8 major cities. This Metro railway transport is connected with 8 major cities. Okay, now I am going to explain that 8 major cities with the help of the chart. Okay, now listen students, listen. The metro railways in India. The metro rails are connected in 8 major cities. The first one is Kolkata. The first one is Kolkata. Kolkata is in West Bengal. Kolkata is in West Bengal. Then the second one is Chennai. Second one is Chennai. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Third one is Delhi. Third one is Delhi. It is the union territory, you know, is it? Then the next one is Bangalore. Next one is Bangalore. Bangalore is in Karnataka. Then the next one is Gurgaon. It is in Haryana. Okay. Mumbai. Next one is Mumbai. Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Then the next one is Jaipur. The next one is Jaipur. Jaipur is in Rajasthan. Jaipur is in Rajasthan. The last one is Kochi. Kochi is in Kerala. These are the 8 important cities connected this metro railways. Okay, these are the 8 major cities connected with the metro railways. Okay, then this metro railway, the Kolkata is the first metro railway in India. Kolkata is the first metro railway in India, and also in India, these 8 cities are very important cities for metro rail stations. Then one of the important express rail, that is Jagadi. Okay, that is one of the most important railway. It is very fastest express train. Okay, within 105 minutes, it pass 200 kilometers. Okay, within 105 minutes, it passed 200 kilometers. Okay, it is very fastest train in India. Okay, students. Then the next one is the pipeline. Okay, can you understand, students, about railways? Then the next one is pipelines. Okay, the next one is pipelines. The next one is pipelines. Next one is pipeline. It is one of the most important means of transport in India. The pipeline is one of the most important transport system in India. In olden days, the pipeline are used to transport water, oil, natural gases, etc. Okay, but nowadays solid can also they transfer from through this pipeline when it is converted into slurry. Slurry means that is semi-liquid. Slurry means semi-liquid. Okay, listen very careful. Pipeline is one of the most important means of transport. In olden days, the pipelines are used to transport water, oil, some of the natural gas. Okay, then but nowadays the solid things also they are transporting through this pipeline when it is converted into slurry. S-L-U-R-R-Y, slurry. S-L-U-R-R-Y, slurry means semi-liquids. Okay, slurry means what? Semi-liquids. Slurry means semi-liquids. Okay, then this pipeline is one of the most important means of transport, but it is very difficult to construct that pipelines because in India the land areas, most of the areas are covered by water areas, is it? Water areas, terrain areas. So because of that it is very difficult to construct, but it is very cheapest means of transport. Okay, in India three main areas are mostly the pipeline networks are there. Mainly the important places are Assam to Punjab, Punjab to Gujarat, then Gujarat to Uttar Pradesh. Assam to Punjab, Punjab to Gujarat to Uttar Pradesh. Okay, these are the three important pipeline networks in India. Okay, students, can you understand, students? Shall we recall the points? Today we learned about railways and pipelines. Is it? Today we are learned about railways and pipelines. Is it? From railways, railway is the one of the important system. It is artery in countries inland system transport. Is it? Artery means an important routes. Artery means an important routes. Is it? Then it is one of the important means of transport, and also two important railways are there, the Konkan railway and the metro railways, is it? These are the things we learned. Then next we learned about pipelines, is it? Pipeline, it is also one of the important means of transport. Through pipeline we are transporting water, oil, natural gases, some of the solid things converted into slurry. These are the things are transported through this pipeline. Okay, these all things we learned today. Then the next class I will teach the waterways and the airways. Okay, students. Now all are take a book. Turn page number 199. Turn page number 199. Take a book, students. Turn page number 199. The book exercise Roman number 3. Second question. Roman number 3. Second question. Write any 4 advantages of railways. Roman number 3. Roman number 3. Second question. Write any 4 advantages of railways. Answer is page number 192. Answer is page number 192. Page number 192. Railways heading. Page number 192. Railways heading. The first sentence. Indian railway system is the main artery of the country's inland transport. Indian railway system is the main artery of country's inland transport. Then 4 or 5 lines after, it promotes national integration by bringing people together. Then the next sentence also, it also promotes trade, tourism, education, etc. Then the next sentence. Railways help in the commercialization of the agriculture sector by facilitating the bulky movement of perishable goods. Okay, the next sentence also. Its role and in transporting raw materials to industries and finished goods to markets is invaluable. Up to their remark. Then the next one tablet column is there is it, that is 17 zones and headquarters. It is very important one word question, students. It is very important one word question. Often it questions will ask Southern Railway, Northern Railway or Central Railway. That questions they will ask. So one word question, important one word question, you note it and study. Then the next one, the same page. 4 categories of railways. That book inside question, that one. 4 categories of railways. You mark it. Book inside question. What are the 4 categories of railways? The first one is broad gauge, meter gauge, narrow gauge, light gauge. Broad gauge, meter gauge, narrow gauge and light gauge. Mark it. Then the next question. Roman number 4. Distinguish between. Roman number 4. Distinguish between. Fourth question. Distinguish between. Fourth question. Roadways and railways. Fourth question. Roadways and railways. Roadways and railways. Fourth question. Refer the gate. Refer the gate. Students, those who did not buy the gate, you should buy the Surah gate. Okay. Students, those who did not buy the gate, you should buy the Surah gate. Surah gate, the answer is given. Okay. Then, that one you mark. One mark, 2 mark question one I gave. One distinguish gave. Book inside one 2 mark question gave. Then and also some one words you will mark, and all the portions you should read, and line by line you should read, and you will prepare the one word book inside one word question also. Okay. Okay students, the continuation of this lesson I will teach the next class. Thank you students.